everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. I really want to get to 500. It would be really cool to get me more out there. But today, this video is basically going to be working on the car and getting it ready for Midvale. I kind of want to show all you guys what leads up to race day, you know, what we have to put in, like how much work we have to put in to, you know, get the car back maintenance, get it back clean, change the gear, change the shocks and springs, you know, setup wise, everything. So I just want to show you guys all that. And, you know, for those who don't really know anything about racing to the ones that know, you know, what it's like to go racing again. And yeah, so I can't wait for Midvale, and make sure you tune in. This video, again, like I said, will be a mixture of working on the car, the lead up to Midvale, and the mixture of race day at Midvale. So watch till the end. You know, you'll see all race footage. We'll get more recording than last video. I forgot, you know, to tell anybody to record, but we'll definitely get that. And yeah, she's still looking nice. Needs a little bit clean up, but we're gonna do that right now as you guys are watching the video. Alright, so here's what we've done so far. I took off all the shocks, cleaned up the front end. My dad's taking off the gear right now so we can put another one in that we'll get Monday. So then I'm going to clean up all the dirt in the rear. And yeah. We wrapped up for the day, cleaned the front end, some of the rear we're going to have to probably go back over and clean. Took the gear out, took all the shocks off, and this is probably the only day I can really help. Go back to school this week, and then we'll be ready for Midvale. Have my dad take some videos for you guys to showing, you know, scaling it and all that and doing all the rest of the stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because, like I said, this will be working on it some more. Hopefully my dad records, and it will be also like a race vlog too. So we'll mixture of both, and yeah. right, we finished up practice here at Midvale. Pretty good turnout. Got some videos that will be shown before this, but this is Friday. Tomorrow's race day, and I can't wait. Car felt great. It's just me, first time here at Midvale. It's a fun track. I just got to get better, get more laps, and we'll be good for tomorrow. All right, we're heading to the track. Just woke up, got ready. We got some clothes here. I had to get new clothes, but these didn't fit. I got everything else except like I'm wearing, the same thing that I was yesterday. My bag fell out of the bed of the truck, so we're about to go to the track, and we'll see you guys there. All right, we just got done eating at Hog Heaven by Midvale, and we got unfortunate news. The race got canceled, and then we were going to practice, but it started raining, and we didn't want to risk anything. So we loaded up, came here, ate, and we're about to head back home. But tomorrow, I will bring you guys with me. We are going to ride some dirt bikes and stuff, so it'll be a fun time. And we're going to make a plan for next weekend, and hopefully we can get back on track here soon. About to go race for some pocket change at National. We're at Universal, and we got stopped by the cops. So yeah. Let's go! All right, we're here at Route 62, and man, this place is a blast. I only have a 110, but I mean, it still rips. I was ripping with my buddy TJ, and he has a 140, I think it is, or he was on a 140. He has a bigger bike, but man, it is a blast. Yeah, I'm just ripping a pit bike because, like, why not? Just having fun. Oh man, this is a blast. I got some videos for you guys, so tune in and watch them, and dude, they're great.